To another video of Allintitle.co, the one of the keyword research tools that you can use to do your long tail keyword research, and also it lets you to to check different keywords using Google search operators in bulk. So it's a bulk keyword checker. It also comes with the built-in bulk keyword golden ratio checker. And specifically in this video, we want to see why you should use automation if you want to do keyword golden ratio research instead of just doing that manually. So a few reasons that you have to trust automations, and particularly in this scenario, in this case, doing keyword golden ratio, if you do it by hand or if you do it using a spreadsheet, which I think is really a spreadsheet using for the keyword golden ratio is just outdated. It's so difficult doing it by hand. It's slow, difficult, it's not accurate. I'll tell you why it is not accurate. And it's just not 2021 thing. It's for if it was like 10 years ago, you would have done it by hand. It would have made some sense. But now, when there is a software for that, and the software does the job for you, why just do that by hand? Why just do it in a way that spend a lot of time and then you get a result that is just not accurate? Why it is not accurate? The main reason is that most of the time you are when you are doing like keyword golden ratio check, you want to check the results for a target location. For example, if you are in Canada and if you want to do like your research for United States, then you are out of luck if you want to do it manually. Okay, you can use a proxy or you can use VPN, but still you have to pay for the subscription of the to have a subscription for a VPN or a proxy, and still you do not have control over the IP address assigned to you. You will still get banned by Google after running a few searches. So, but with the software, with the that gives you the KGR automation, you can just search. You can just get the accurate results by giving the software any locations that you want to do your KGR analysis for. For example, I want to do the KGR analysis in San Diego. So I select this location, I set the country to United States, and I give my project a name like HVAC. And then I add my keywords here, list of the keywords here, I add HVAC San Diego, I add heating and air San Diego, I add plumbing San Diego, and so on. So with the KGR automations, you get the accurate results. With the tool, with a software like Allintitle.co, you get the results for the San Diego CA. When you set that to that location, you can set any country, any location in the world for your KGR research. You might be asking why the KGR differs from one location to another. The main reason is that Google serves different algorithm to different locations. So if you're from Canada, you're being served another location, not a different, but you are being served a specific algorithm that is designed for that location. So Allintitle results in, if you go and search for Allintitle for just using different IPs, that you will see that the results are different if you go from one location to another location. So that's one reason. The other reason is that the search volume also is different. And this is also another interesting thing. If you do not have access to a keyword research tool and you just want to do KGR analysis, you still need to have subscription to a keyword research tool. Then why just not having subscription to a keyword research tool that gives you both KGR and the search volume at the same time? So like if you have subscription to Allintitle.co, we give you like both things that you need. But if you just if you just subscribe to a keyword research tool to get the search volumes and then do it manually by hand using a spreadsheet, that just doesn't make sense, because what you are paying for a subscription and you still have to do it manually, because both things can be done using a software like Allintitle.co. So if you, for example, want to see all the keywords related to like HVAC, you just need to use the keyword explorer. You set your locations, the country, the language, and then you click on results, and it gives you all different kinds of long tail keywords that then you can export and import it into the bulk KGR checker. When you import it to the bulk KGR checker, you can set the locations that you are targeting for your KGR research. Another reason that you should use automation and you shouldn't do it by hand, or you shouldn't do it by a spreadsheet, is that the speed is everything in like right now. If you want really compete, you would better to do it fast, because by the time that it might take you to just run KGR analysis for a long list of keywords, your competitor has finished doing the research for the same keyword and posting a blog or optimizing their website for it. And like Allintitle.co, like why just do something? Why not try something that does the job right for you, and at the same time give you everything that you want from a keyword research? So I wanted to show you like the thing that is really phenomenal about the Allintitle.co is the community that use this software. It's not just the few guys that are posting YouTube video, they just randomly, and they or the guys that are advocating different kind of keyword research, but they are not really into the search engine optimization. The community of Allintitle.co, we have over 4,000 users, and among them are SEO companies, that big SEO companies, and also the researchers from universities are using them. Not just the keyword golden ratio function, but all the functions that we have, the keyword explorer, the bulk checker, search operator bulk checker. We have 4,000 users at a time. The number of the keywords you see that people have searched using Allintitle.co is more than 300,000 keywords, and the number of the project people have added to the software is just phenomenal. And we have both the pay-as-you-go options. You can choose just pay for the amount of the keywords that you import for, or the number of the time that you use the keyword explorer part of the Allintitle.co, or the number of the keywords. Each token or each credit can be used towards one imported of the keyword, and also one time using keyword explorer. And we also have the affordable monthly plans that are 60% lower in cost. You can also use them, choose the amount of the daily tokens or daily keywords that you would need, and then subscribe to a keyword research that gives you everything that you want. And going back to just what we were doing here, so another reason, so we just told you that we just discussed that the accuracy is number one thing that you don't get it when you do it manually. the spreadsheet, doing things with the spreadsheets, it is difficult, it is slow, it is outdated, it doesn't give you a competitive advantage. Using a software, using automations, that is what gives you the competitive advantage that you need in 2021 to be more successful than the other people that are going after the same keywords. Again, using VPN proxies, you have to pay for subscription, and those IPs are the most we can say damaged IPs over the internet, because Google knows that you are using a VPN. Google still can read your real location from your GPS settings that your laptop has or your computer has. It can read your location from your time setting. It can read your location from the history of your search. So everything that you have done before is telling search engines that what is your location, actual location. And even if you use proxies, if you are located in, like, for example, East Asia, and you're doing KGR research for United States, you are really being served the East Asian Google search results. And so the results that you are providing your customer with, or the results that you are getting for yourself, those are not really as accurate as you would like them to be. If you don't have a subscription to a keyword research tool, if you manually want to do the KGR and with a spreadsheet, because a spreadsheet is also manual. So you still need to have a subscription to a keyword research tool to get the search volume for the locations that you want. So why not have subscription to a tool that gives you both the search volume and KGR bulk checker? So Allintitle.co, you have to remember that it is not just a KGR checker. It's not just even a search bulk search operator checker. It is a full-fledged keyword research tool that you need to run analysis for keyword analysis for any marketing campaign that you are running. Another thing is that there are a lot of folks putting videos about the KGR research and automations, and you see that some of them are referring introducing us as one of the main sources of KGR analysis, and but some other guys are out there that they really intentionally are not advocating the best options that is out there, not telling their users or their followers that there is this option that can make your life easier, is more accurate, and is the best way to do the KGR analysis. They just hiding the truth. They just hiding. I don't understand them, because if I am teaching you something, I want to teach you something that really makes the life easier for you. I want to give you the option to give you a software that some of them might be using us, but they don't want to introduce us to their viewers or to their fans or the people that follow their videos. So this is just a video to tell you that what is the difference. What are your options? You can also have someone on Fiverr, for example, does the job for you, but see, a lot of people from Fiverr are using Allintitle.co, and if you want to do that, make sure that they can do it in the correct way. They can set the location to your desired location and get the results for you, because a lot of guys working on the Fiverr, they are not from United States, they are not from Canada or the countries that you are based in and where you want to get your KGR analysis for. So make sure that if they are from India, they are getting results of the search results from India. Even if they use the search volume, the Allintitle results are different from that of the United States. I hope that this video have shed some lights on the automation for KGR, automation for keyword golden ratio, and why you should use a software, an automation like Allintitle.co to get results fast, to not go the difficult way, and to also get the most accurate results that you want.